Good morning, students. I am going to explain solution part 3. Now in the part 2 we discussed already up to last concept is the mole fraction. The mole fraction of A solution plus mole fraction of B solution is equal to always equal to 1 or less than 1, but more than 1 it is not possible. Now the fifth concentration term, that is molarity. Now the molarity, it is represented as also capital M. We have to represent as capital M. Now we can define as M number of moles of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called molarity. Now we can write the formula. Molarity is equal moles of solute dissolved in the volume of solution in liters. Now number of moles we can represent as N. The volume we can represent as V in liters. Now we can write as this is one N into 1 by V in liters. Now N we know already, number of moles is represented as weight by molecular weight into 1 by V, it is in liters. Now molarity symbol we can take as capital M. If we are in present, we are writing, change it to ml, we are writing as ml. Now it become, the formula become weight by molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. This is a formula we can use for the calculation. It's a very important formula for the molarity is equal to weight by molecular weight into 1000 V in ml and 1000 in liters. This is the formula we can determine the calculation purpose of molarity of the solution. Now the sixth concentration term, that is molality. Is a molarity. Now it is represented as, that is the small m. Now we can define as number of moles of solute per kg of solvent. Defined as number of moles of the solute per kg of solvent is called as molality. It is, now we can write as number of the moles of solute it dissolved in the mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in the kg. Now with the number of moles we know already, it is a N. WA, it is the weight of solvent in kg. Now N into 1 by W, it is a solvent, it is also in the kg we are writing. Now when we know weight by molecular weight into 1 by W in kg, if we change into the weight, kg change into grams. Weight by molecular weight into 1000 by weight in grams. weight in grams. This is the formula also we can use for the calculation of molality of the solution. Molality of the solution. Now units of molarity. Units of what are the units of molarity? Molarity we can measure in mole liter inverse or mole decimeter cube inverse. Now in this case it is a temperature dependence, because of volume is present, temperature is also present. Now volume is absent, temperature is absent. It is a temperature dependent. Molarity is always temperature dependent, but molality is temperature independent. It is a independent on the temperature. Independent of the temperature, does not depend on the temperature, because of volume is absence. If the volume is present, the temperature present. The volume is absent, it is only does not depends on the temperature. Now units of the molality. Units of the molality is mole per kg or kg. Mole per kg units, that is a mole kg inverse or mole per kg. This is the units of the molality. Now seventh one I am going to explain, that is normality. Seventh one I am going to explain, that is normality. It is the next concentration term, that is normality. It is represented as N, capital N. That is represented capital N. It is, now we can write as number of gram equivalent of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of the solution is called normality. I am going to repeat the statement and repeat. Number of gram equivalent of the solute is dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called normality. Now we can write as gram equivalent weight of solute, moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Gram equivalent weight into 1 by volume in liters. Now this one we can write as capital N is equal to, normality is equal to gram equivalent weight by weight, it is into, we can write as V in liters. We can write as gram equivalent weight by molecular weight into 1 by V in liters. Now we can write as weight by gram equivalent weight into 1 by 1000 by V in ml. This is the formula we can write the calculation of normality. Write the normality. The calculation of normality is a very important formula. In this also volume is present. Now it is a temperature dependent. It is also temperature dependent, and the volume is present, temperature dependent. The units of the normality. Now we can write is the moles, and liter for liter, or moles or decimeter cube. The units of normality, decimeters cubes. Now thank you, student.